And here we go again, back at the toy box. Still haven't pulled the transmission out of the Malibu, but that's not priority right now because the guy that bought the motor and transmission out of the Box Chevy wants it by Friday or Saturday. It's Tuesday right now. So I'm gonna just get ahead of it and pull it out and set it down in here and have it ready for him to pick up. Throw it in the back of his truck so he can get on his way and he can get his build going. So I'm just gonna record and do a time lapse. I'm gonna start getting this thing torn down and taken out. And stay tuned. All right, well, about an hour later, it's ready to come out. Everything's unhooked underneath. I'm pulling it out with the headers and everything because they're just some shorties, so they'll come straight out. Tilt this thing up, get it out. Only thing I need to unhook is the two motor mount bolts and these tranny lines. Once everything gets draining under here, or gets done draining under here, then I will unhook those. Besides that, it's ready to come out. I'm selling it as a whole, complete swap. I'm gonna get this thing out tomorrow probably when I got a hand to actually pull it all the way out without hitting or damaging anything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the transmission out of this thing, get up out of here. Well, I got the transmission pulled out of the Malibu and it's on its way down. All I gotta do is pull it out. Let's see, hopefully it pulls out because of how tall it is. And I got the car pretty high. We'll see if it can come out. Hopefully I can get this thing out without having to raise the car up anymore. Probably not because the exhaust sits so low. Ah! Yeah, I'm gonna have to slide it off. Which I think. And pull it out by hand. Leave this converter in it. That wasn't too bad at all. Thought it was going to be a pain.
doing it myself. Just a jack and a piece of wood. That thing helped keep it steady. Oh, still hit the exhaust. There we go. Have to send this Circle D back in. Make sure it's all good. Oh, I got this thing out. Take it to get it torn apart and looked at. Got the converter over here draining. And luckily I kept the box so I could send it back. Boy done pulled up real solid, grabbed the motor for the body. About to be out here. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and until the next one, I'm out.